Hello, this is Brad from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Welcome to this new video. Today we're going to go over the Nasdaq and we're going to see what could be happening and what we could expect in the near-term future. So, as you can see here, you have a 4-hour chart of the Nasdaq in front of you. Basically, one of the main scenarios I see, which I think you could also agree. So today, this is Monday the 20th of September, and currently we are at negative 2.7%. for today's session. So as you can see here, we also have a gap down, but to be honest, I don't see this as the beginning of a, let's say, a bear market. I see this as a major correction, which I suspected since the top here at the beginning of September, the first week of September. But yeah, once again, I don't see this as a major top in place, a significant one, but still, at some point we should resume to the upside. Also, if I'm correct, I would expect a correction, as you can see, wave 4, to pair up with this wave 2. Interesting enough, this wave 2 started up September 2nd. If we see at the most recent high, so the significant high is around September 2nd of this year. So, believe it or not, call it a coincidence. We know that September historically is a bearish month for the indices, and possibly we're seeing this again. So basically, once again, this correction, they should tend towards equality. So if we try to measure them, we can see how equality would be at 13,500, which would also be the area of the previous 4. So somewhere around here, I would like to see it kind of bouncing from. So if we do see the 15,000 as resistance, so if we kind of do something like this, go back down, retest it, and then go back up, down again, then I would like to see 14,000 as support, as it is arguably an interesting level. And yeah, let's dig into the 1 hour and trying to see what could be happening. So here you see already more details. After this consolidation with an ABC of a flat, we've had one last move up, and then possibly now we have a top in place. So if we try to understand what's happening here, either it's happening something like this, 1, 2. So actually, let's use this as the top, and from there we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 waves down. So this could be either with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So something like this, and that would make high degree with A. So as I was saying earlier, this could take us all the way back, possibly between this wave 2, this 2 waves 4, with the wave A, and then go back up, trying to find resistance around 15,000, and then one last move down. Eventually, this is a wave 4, so if I'm correct, this wave 4 could also turn out to be a triangle or a more complicated correction, and usually complicated correction means kind of translates to complex correction. So that's pretty much what I see. If I'm wrong, what could happen is that I'm just wrong by the degree. So if I take you back to the daily, here we're just hiding too much. If I take you back to the 4 hours, what could happen is, I know I could be wrong, and this is a less degree, but even then, so either this wave 4 is pairing up to this, which could be a wave 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and this 5 waves will make higher degree possibly wave 3, so the intermediate one. So basically those 5 waves could complete somewhere at some point this wave 3. For the moment though, still the consequences are the same, downside. It's just going to be a matter of how much, but still I would like to see some support around here, a bounce, go back up, down, and then eventually try to look for longs from here. So that was it for me today. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you would also like to see some other analysis on other indices. I'm happy to read the comments as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next update. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the content. I would appreciate it a lot. And I'll see you on the next one.